My name is Joe Hall. I'm production manager here at Gasbarre. We're a well-versed shop. We do everything from following ANSI standards, the current ISO standards. We do multiple types of assemblies, equipment as far as CNC tubing benders, hydraulic hose fittings, custom manifolds, valve assemblies. We build crane assemblies for customers of ours who work on glass assemblies and different types of manufacturing platforms. Do all our painting in-house here. We also subcontract for us to get powder coating done for customers on occasion. Any type of surface finish required. Some assemblies we've completely assembled for its ready turnkey application to our customers. And other instances we're asked by the customer to partially assemble up to a certain area, so it makes it easier for their field technicians to put it in, install it, field test it. We're constantly talking with the customers. We're in communication with them from start to finish of a build and understand what they want and their needs, and from there on, build it to their spec. We do everything here from as simple as tubing bending, cutting it to length, and we go as far as large assemblies weighing up to 20,000, 30,000 pounds. We built the first one, it's going to be the same as the 10th one, and it's repeated over and over as there's quality checks throughout the process of the assembly. We ship primarily within the United States, but we have customers of ours based in France, Europe. In that application, we make sure we weatherproof everything and ship it worldwide.